Travel looks glamorous on social media, but anyone who actually flies knows the truth. Missed connections, overpriced tickets, uncomfortable seats, jet lag, lost bags, and airport stress can turn even the best trip into a headache. But what if I told you that some of the biggest travel advantages don't come from flying first class or having elite status, but from knowing a few surprisingly simple hacks most travelers completely miss? Today we're breaking down the most surprising travel hacks you actually need. The ones airlines won't advertise, booking sites don't highlight, and frequent travelers quietly rely on to save money, time, and stress. Let's get into it. One of the most overlooked travel hacks starts before you even book your flight. Most people search once, see a price, and either book immediately or wait and hope it drops. That's a mistake. Airline pricing is dynamic, and fares can change multiple times per day based on demand, browsing behavior, and even your location. The smarter move is to search flights using flexible date tools and price calendars. Often, shifting your departure by just one day, sometimes even a few hours, can save hundreds. Flying on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, or Saturdays consistently offers better value than peak business travel days. Even better, book flights late at night or early in the morning when demand is lower and pricing algorithms are calmer. Another surprising trick, don't always book round-trip tickets. In many cases, booking two one-way tickets, sometimes even on different airlines, can be significantly cheaper and gives you more flexibility if plans change. Now let's talk about airports, because this is where most travelers lose time without realizing it. One of the simplest hacks is flying from or into secondary airports. Major cities often have multiple airports, and while the main hub gets all the attention, smaller airports nearby can offer cheaper fares, shorter security lines, and faster baggage delivery. The extra 30-minute drive can easily be worth the savings and stress reduction. Another airport trick most people don't use: security line timing. Everyone rushes to the airport early, but security bottlenecks tend to peak at predictable times: early mornings and late afternoons. Midday and late night departures often move much faster, even at busy airports. Here's a hack that feels almost unfair once you know it. Many airlines release last-minute premium seat upgrades at steep discounts inside their apps, sometimes cheaper than buying economy earlier. Always check your airline app after booking, again at check-in, and even at the gate. You'd be surprised how often business or premium economy upgrades suddenly become affordable. Now let's move on board, because comfort matters more than people admit. One of the most underestimated travel hacks is choosing the right seat, not just the right class. On many aircraft, certain rows offer extra legroom without being sold as premium seats. Exit rows, bulkheads, and sometimes the very last row before a galley can be far more comfortable than standard seats, if you know which aircraft you're flying. Another overlooked trick, bring a scarf or light jacket, even on short flights. Cabins are often kept cooler than necessary, and having a layer doubles as a blanket, pillow, or privacy shield, especially useful on long-haul flights. And here's something frequent travelers swear by: always pack a pen. Immigration forms still exist in many countries, and the person with a pen gets through faster than everyone asking strangers. Now let's talk about luggage, where small choices make a huge difference. One of the smartest hacks is traveling with a carry-on only, whenever possible, not just to avoid baggage fees, but to eliminate waiting, lost bags, and tight connection stress. If you do need to check a bag, place a distinctive strap or ribbon on it. This reduces mix-ups and helps baggage handlers identify it more quickly. Here's a surprising one: take a photo of your checked luggage before handing it over. If your bag is delayed or lost, that photo dramatically speeds up the claim process. Now let's shift to hotels, where travelers often overpay without realizing it. Booking directly with hotels can sometimes unlock perks that third-party sites don't offer. Free breakfast, late checkout, room upgrades, or flexible cancellation. Even better, once you've booked, email the hotel politely a few days before arrival and mention any special occasion or preference. Hotels have flexibility, but only if you ask. Another underrated hack is checking in later, not earlier. Rooms assigned early in the day are often based on availability, while later check-ins can benefit from last-minute cancellations or upgrades. Now for one of the biggest travel myths, that airport food is always terrible and overpriced.